Hi guys, it's your guy here, Trading Mate again. Guys, if you're looking for an accurate strategy to make money on the market, you did well to click on that video. Because in this video, you'll be learning simple steps, simple things that help us to make money. So, guys, in this video, you'll be learning about support, resistance and trend line. This is the only things that is basic and required to make money. So if you don't know what trend line or support or resistance means, take a look at this chart. I'll be learning you everything, guys. So simple click on your chart, right? And you use the sharp button. But before doing that, I want you to rotate your screen, because if you pay attention about the binary options platform or application or any other main broker application, you will realize that they don't allow people, right? They don't allow people to rotate their screen, guys, because this is very important. Listen carefully. If you want to make money in this chart, or if you want to understand better the chart, you need to rotate your screen. Yeah, because when your screen is like that, yeah, in portrait, you can't understand the market, right? I made a research, or I made a poll or a survey, and I realized that most of people that do well on the market, they are trading on their laptop, not on their phone. The reason is simple. On your laptop, guys, you can see the market. You can see well the market, you can understand well the market, because you have an overview of the chart. But when you're on your phone, look at how the market is. So with your phone, is also possible to make money, right? So my first advice for you, if you want to make money with your phone, you need to rotate your screen like that. Yeah. So first thing, you need to rotate your screen. All right. So can you see the difference now? You can have a better view of the market, guys. So this is the first point. So let's go. You click your charts and you click on the sharp button here. So when you click on the sharp button, you can have the different features here. You can have the square, the trend line, and that stuff. So for this support, right, you can use this thing. Yeah. So let's click on it, and I put the support here. So if you don't know what support means, support is simple, a line, right? An horizontal line under where the market refused to go. If you pay attention, yeah, check carefully. If you pay attention at this level, the market refused to go under. If you check well, you don't have any chart under here. So when the market refused to go under at a level, it means that this level is a support, right? So the psychology of the trader is that when the market reach that area, right, that area, which is the support, people or traders are supposed to buy, right? So when you buy here, you make money. You buy here, you make money. When the market touches again the support area, you buy here, you make money. So this is the support, right? And for the resistance is the opposite of things. So let me allow me to click on my chart, and click also on the sharp button, right? When I click on the sharp button, okay, I select the same features, but this time I put on the upper, right? So this is what resistance is put on the upper of the chart. So with the resistance, the psychology is that when the market touches the resistance level, it means that the level is too strong, the level is too high, so the market will go down. As you can see, the market went down again here, right? And allow me to check the history. Yeah, allow me to check the history. So this is another support here. As you can see, the market went down, 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 and when it get this level, it went up. Simply, it went down, down, down. When it get here, it went up. So this is a strong level. This is a strong level that we call support. In trading, we call it support. Support, right? Right. So this is the support. Yeah, but pay attention. This support is full of manipulation because since 2000, since 2000 or since year 19, people or traders are using the same strategy. It's no more, guys. You can make it within the same thing. Assuming that you are using the smartphone that you are using now is not the same as what you are using 10 years before. So in trading, it is the same thing. In fact, you need to update your strategy. You need to update your technique. You can't make it only with support and resistance because this is full of manipulation, as you can see, guys. So here is a clear example of manipulation. The markets make a kind of range, and it came here at a specific level of the support. So you as traders, as you know that when the market touches a support level, the market is supposed to buy. So you were buying at this level, but check what happened. Instead of going up, the market went down, guys. It break the support level, and those traders that are buying at this level, they obviously lose their money. So market makers are doing that. So you need to pay attention. This training is free for you, but if you want to know more about market makers are manipulated the how market makers are manipulating the market and avoid trap in this market, guys, you can inbox us for specific for a private session, a one-to-one, where we will be able to mentor you, to teach you everything about market manipulation, and also how to avoid falling in the different trap here. So yeah, and let's go. Okay. Yeah, so this is another kind of manipulation, guys. Another kind of manipulation. Yeah, this manipulation was too high. So take a look at this thing, right? Take a look at this thing. Yeah, this is a kind of support, right? As you can see, yes, this market. Check. The market went up, and at the specific level, it was supposed to go up, right? So a lot of traders bought at this level, but check what happened. The market went down instead of going up. The market went down at this level. Let me change the color so that you can see. The market went down at this level, okay? And you lose a bit of money. But after that, what happened at this level? Yeah. So some traders, when the market reaches at this level, they will think that it is a retest. So for those who have experience in trading, they know what retest means. Retest is the fact that the market break a support level, for example, and went down, and after it make a small regression and going down. So for traders that were thinking that the market were doing a retesting, they will be able to sell. But see what the market did. They break the support that is now a resistance now. So they break up. So they lose their money here. So you guys, you can see within this thing, those who bought, they lose their money. Those who buy, they lose their money. So guys, if you don't have knowledge, you can't make it, guys. So with the mentorship, you will be able to teach you everything like what I'm explaining now. We know how to avoid this kind of trap, guys. So yeah, so now you know about support, you know about resistance. I will teach you what is trend line. But trend line is really simple, as you can see. Allow me to click on my chart. Yeah, use the chart button. And for trend line, you will be using this thing. Yeah, this tool. Allow me to click on it and draw the trend line. So trend line is simple, is simply a line, right? But when you see the trend of the market, you can see the market is moving, but from a general perspective, you can see that the market is going either up or down, right? So you can see here the market is moving, right? The market is moving, but from a general perspective, you can see that the market is going up. Yeah, the market is going up, right? So allow me to check again. This is an upward trend. Yeah, an upward trend. Yeah, and allow me not to go far, right? This is the downward trend. You can see that the market is moving, but from a general perspective, right, the market is going down. The market is going down, right? Allow me to click on this thing again. Yeah, the market is going down from a general perspective, as you can see here. Yeah, as you can see here, the market move, but from a general perspective, you can see that the market is going down. So this is a downward trend, down, right? So this is about trend line, right? Trend line. So guys, we learn about support, resistance, and trend line. So the strategy that I'm about to teach you today, that is the most accurate in this market in year 2021, guys. It is made of support, resistance, and trend line. Take a look at the chart. Yeah, take a look at the chart. The strategy is really simple. The strategy is really simple. So the strategy said that after a range, yeah, maybe you know a range, or if you don't know, allow me to teach you what is a range. Yeah, a range is like a market consolidation. It means that the market move, but from a general perspective, you can see that the market is going nowhere. Yeah, so this is a kind of range. Yeah, range. If you don't know range, this is a range. Yeah, allow me to write you for you so that you can know what I mean. So this is a range. So you can see that the market is moving, but from a general perspective, the market is at the same place, right? So we traders, we love that kind of movement because it is based on the strategy. So after a range, guys, after a range, or do you want me to show you another example of range? Okay, there is no problem for me. Yeah, I know the market. I know how the market move. Yeah, so allow me to show you another type of range. Yeah, a range are easily to identify. So when the market is going nowhere, it means that you are in a range. Yeah, so this is another example of range. If you want me to show you another example of range, yeah, I will give you again. All right. Okay, I give you again. So this is another example of range, guys. So guys, the strategy is very simple, guys. The thing is that listen carefully, because if you miss this thing, you will be blowing your account today and ever. Yeah, because this is important as information. I took my time to explain you support, resistance, trend line, range, that you can better understand the strategy. Guys, listen carefully. After a range, now you know what range mean, right? After a range, there is a trend line. After a trend line, there's a range. Yeah. So after a range, allow me to write you for you. After, right? After range, okay. After range, you have what? You have a trend. So the objective of the strategy is to trade the trend. Yeah. So after the range, you have the trend, and after the trend, you have what? You have the range. Yeah. So listen carefully to what I'm saying. After a range, you have a trend, and after a trend, you have a range. So take a look at what I mean. So here you have what? You have a range, right? We have a range. As you can see now, you have a range. So when the range finish at this level, right? The range break at this level, what can you see? Guys, what can you see? Can you see? Okay, what can you see? You can see this movement, right? You can see this movement. Allow me to change the color for you. Okay. Okay, allow me to change the color for you. All right, you can see all this movement. Assuming that you are able to cut this kind of trend, you'll be able to make million of rand or naira or whatever you want, based on the lot size that you use. Example, you are trading volatility 25, yeah, and assuming that you put 10 lot size, guys, you'll be able to make million, yeah, because you are trading the trend, you are trading the trend, you are trading the trend. You can see all this movement after this range, right? After this range, right after this trend, you will be able to cut this kind of movement. Yeah. So allow me to, yeah. Yes, this is too much, guys. See, you can see all the movement that you will be able to catch. Yeah, all this thing. No stress, no pressure, guys. So this is the strategy. Yeah. Allow me to show you again. Allow me to show you again a range, guys. Yeah. So you can see here, this is another example of range. And after the market breaks the range, you can see the movement. It went up. Yeah, so this is a trend, right? And allow me to show you again, allow me to show you more example, more example, more example. Yeah, so this is a range again. So I tell my people, I will tell the traders to get ready to make money with a trend, right? So this is another example of range, right? So the market make up down with the same place, and when it breaks the range, see what happened? Down straight. This is a simple strategy. After a range, you have a buy, and after a buy, you have a range. Yeah. So can we have another example? Allow me to switch. Allow me to switch. Allow me to switch. I want to trade something like V75. Yeah. Allow me to trade V75. Yeah. Okay. What do we have? What do we have here? We still have a range. I want to take a position on live for you, because you don't trade demo account, as you can see. Yeah, deriv server, you are trading a real account. Yeah. So I want to take a live example so that you can see. Yeah. VIX10. Do we have example? No. No. You don't have a clear example of the strategy. So the strategy is really simple. You just need to identify a range and wait for the range to break. That is simple, up or down. But the main challenge, guys, the main challenge of this strategy is to identify either the market will break or either the range will break up or down. Yeah, so we can share everything for free, guys. We can share everything for free. The strategy is free for you, so it is up to you to identify your range and the place the trade according to the break of the market. But how to identify either the market will or even the range will break up or down? We have the secret. Yeah, we have the secret. So if you are interested, we can teach you a one-to-one session. You can have a one-to-one session where we will mentor you. We will teach you how to identify, how to know if the market will break up or will break down, guys. You have the knowledge for that, you have the strategy for that. Yeah, you have the knowledge. So if you are interested, guys, feel free to inbox us. I will teach you. Yeah, I and the other admin, they will teach you exactly how to do. Yeah, because it is a bit boring to always making money knowing that you are not making money. You are all the same thing. You are all connected to the same market. But how can you explain that you are always making money knowing that you are always blowing your account? It's not normal. Yeah, the market is made for everybody. Yeah, but those of us that are doing well, they even have a good strategy. They apply proper risk management. They also have a good system that ever trade for you and stuff. But this is just an example. Right? And what can we do again? Can we do again? Yeah, I want to place a live trade for you. Yeah, but the market is not yeah okay. Let me check again. Maybe VIG 50. Okay. What do we have here? Oh, we missed this. We missed this thing, guys. We just missed this thing. But it's not a big deal. Yeah, the good news that money never finish on the market. So you need to pay attention about that, right? Okay. The market went down here, but it's not a big deal. Let's wait for this thing. to, yeah, to break again. I know that this market will break up. Yeah, will break up because I know we know the market. So guys, I hope that this strategy was helpful for you. I hope that you will be making more money with that strategy. Yeah. If you are interested to know more, or if you like this video, feel free to give us feedback, yeah, or comments, or even share the video for with other people. It will be helpful, guys. So thank you, and enjoy your money.